Employers are using facial recognition technology in a variety of ways. First and foremost, they're using it for video interviews, which is also known as emotion sensory analysis or facial analysis. And in those situations, a prospective employee is recording a video on their phone or on their computer and submitting it to the company. Employers are then using AI software to analyze candidates' facial expressions in their recorded answers. A candidate who looks off up into the distance might have a propensity to lie, or somebody who smiles a lot during an interview might be somebody who'd be good in a customer-facing role, and the computer is telling the company that based on its analysis. Facial recognition technology is also used by companies for security purposes, both data and physical. Lastly, employers are using facial recognition technology in lieu of traditional time clocks. Instead of having an employee punch in and out on a time clock, employees can simply look into the clock itself to clock in and out of a shift. The policies and procedures employers should have in place, most importantly, are notice and consent. No one likes to feel surprised. Most of the current regulations that are in place address those two issues to make sure that the employee has an understanding of how the technology is being used and consents to the use. Certain studies have questioned the efficacy of facial recognition technology as it relates to identifying people of color and their facial expressions. Thus, while not a legal requirement, a best practice in this space is to ensure your company is doing data audits of the software. If a software vendor purports that their product is not discriminatory, and there's been studies to prove that, ask for the studies. You want to do as much work on the front end before purchasing a product to help your company avoid litigation down the line.